honest with you. I hate this
Murmur
fucking
Shotties. Pull those shotties out.
Flash.
All I use is shotty.
Alpha team.
Vective.
Going murmur.
There you go.
Engage and execute all targets.
I'm right behind you.
Oh shit, shit.
Dude, what the fuck did you do?
Damn, they got the mid. Yeah.
Gains the lead.
Where B would be.
Oh, monster. Lucky I could not kill you. I will be back. Oh shit, there's someone behind me.
Oh shit, that's what she said. I'm so fucking. Oh, my head hurts so high. Fuck! All these fucking kills I'm racking up. Oh my fucking god! Ah!
Little intense there. Little intense.
Duck him.
We are raping as of one, and I like it. We are sequencing as the in and out motion, and I like it. It feels good. It feels good. This type of rape feels good. I like it. All the moves we don't need.
I'm cool with that.
Let's do it. Fucking rape city, baby.
Senator's over there.
Tell him where you're from. You tell him where you're from. You tell him you're from Rape City.
Come on, man. Let me come in. Let me come in.
All right, come on in. Come on in. Motherfucker.
Some guy over here. Oh, damn, I got it.
Don't do it. All right. All right.
Go watch behind you.
Where is it?
Behind
Yeah,
you.
get fucking on right now. Get it. Get it.
Got
you
him.
didn't know.
Killed me,
You
but I
didn't know
got
he
him.
was hurt. You didn't know I was had his back. Fucking faggot.
Fuck yeah. Fucking shit up.
Fucking shit up. Alright, they're coming at her side. Coming at her sides.
Look.
Oh, there he is.
Coming up from the
The
side.
one and
Coming up from
only.
the side.
These fucking guys again. Fucking rape. Oh.
That guy.
Oh, wait, hold
I
on.
got so
Oh,
many
fuck.
answers.
Oh, you bitches. You bitches. Oh, you bitches. Oh, you
Holy.
bitches. Oh, you bitches. You don't even want it. Oh, you don't want it. I'm taking
Heavy
your
ammo
fucking
on the way.
virginity, you bitches. Oh, the whole team just got fucked. Oh.
Heavy ammo available.
Oh, Xbox, record that. I have a 360. I'm fucking losing my mind. Old Spice commercial. Fuck. Oh.
Going for that second ammo. Going for that second heavy.
Oh, God.
Oh, almost.
Just know
Almost.
that these niggas are gonna report me. Just know that.
What?
These niggas are gonna fucking take them out. Report me. They're gonna report me. Shit.
17 mag.
Yo, listen, I am taking a photo of this.
Yo, guys, middle.
Taking a
Middle.
photo. Yo, you got the video, yo? Please put this on YouTube. Yo, please. Oh, I need it. Yo, I need it.
Down. Triple down.
Shit.
Damn.
My nigga is recording this shit. Oh. Yes. Oh, my motherfucker.
Oh, my God, you seen it.
You saved my motherfucking life, you motherfucker.
They don't even know. They don't
I see
even
it.
know what's going on.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
I came up top and there was rockets getting up there
Yes,
for
it
me.
was. Yes, it was.
Show him the true meaning
Oh
of
my
war.
God, my niggas is with me. They're with me. They never
You guys know
left.
how many? You guys know how many assists I have right now? I have over
never
30.
left.
Unsung hero fight.
I have over 30. Over
Yo,
30.
I'm taking a picture of all of this shit, all this, yo, and I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need access to that footage. Please,
That was crazy.
please. Yo,
30.
please, yo, this is crazy.
Damn it! No.
We got 5 more points. 5 more points.
Yo.
5 more fucking points.
Well done.
Yo.
I could have used your
Yo.
talents in the field.
47.
Ended it with a merciless too.
Yo, listen,
Oh
how
my
many
God.
kills was that for me, yo? Straight, I die for like 20 kills, no exaggeration, yo.
Guys,
That was one of the
you
most
guys want to know why I was in the lead? Because how many assists
I went
have?
hammer, my nigga.
I have 14 kills. Look how many kills
13.
I have.
Oh my, only 13.
Look at that. Look at that.
What was
Crucible
that?
Master, 17
Yo,
kills.
they're lying. They're lying, yo. We had
Actually,
more than that.
That's
27,
14,
yeah.
13, that was crazy.
Yo, we had bad kills. Yo, let me check the kill ratio.
Oh, damn, only died twice. That's crazy.
Nigga, I had 6.5. 6.5.
I see what you did.
4.6.
6.5, my nigga. Oh my god. That shit is wild.